This is how to paint your truck or your car for under $100. So let's get started. I'm just gonna wet sand. I've already started, as you can see, but I am gonna go ahead and sand it down to metal on the spots that I Bondo. So, okay. Nice circular motion. Let me warn you, it's an arm workout, all right? So yeah, I'm just gonna do this over the entire vehicle, okay? A lot of people probably would take their hood off for a paint job. I'm not gonna do it. One of my bolts is stuck. I can't get this hood off right now, and I ain't got time for that.
So I did go ahead and use my power sander for the roof just because of how much sun damage there was up there. Just know that if you're going to use your power sander for your entire vehicle, you definitely should wet sand it after, and you're most likely still going to need to prime it. Otherwise, you're gonna see those circular strokes through your paint job, and I know this from experience.
Bondo's dried up. Now I'm gonna give it a little quick sand to it. You only got one set of lungs. Protect them. Toxic. All right, so now I'm going to hit a few spots with this 2-in-1 primer, filler and sandable primer for automotive. Where I sanded that strip off, I'm gonna prime that, okay? Wherever I sanded it down to metal, definitely prime. We're not priming the whole car. We're not doing it. Not for that. It's really not necessary. I don't think it is. I'll let you guys know in like 6 months if I should have primed or not. This glue is the primer. Okay, let's do this. Hope I don't regret this, but I didn't even tape off the door panel this time because I'm gonna repaint this black too. So what's a little overspray, you know? Nothing. I'm gonna take about the next 10 minutes and just tack rag the whole car. And clean your surface.
Alright you guys, let's talk about paint thinner here for a second. I use that entire pint of paint and that entire bottle of thinner on this particular Bronco. And every other how-to video makes this so complicated and intimidating. I really don't know why. I just winged it on both of mine and they look fabulous. So if you want to know more details about ratios and tips and tricks with your gun, just check the description below. I'm going to hook you guys up and let you know all the lessons that I learned along the way and why I went with such a thin consistency on this Bronco versus the thick one I used on my white Bronco. So yeah, check the description below and we'll get into details there.
I cannot get over it. I also painted these gray. Originally I was gonna paint it black, this and this, but I don't know, I kind of like it gray. Good morning. We're gonna paint this part today. This is the part we're gonna paint. Yes, I'm wearing Star Wars pants. May the Force be with us today. All right, get a ladder, set it up next to your truck. Just got a little tack rag. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one more little. We're just gonna wing it, okay? We're just going for it.
Verdict on using a roller versus a spray gun is don't do it.
It looks bad. It's not smooth. It's not good. Wish I would have just used a spray can on this. Not impressed. Don't do this. Don't roll it. Looks like. And I'm not using a gun for things like this. I'm just spraying it with a can.
I'm just doing what I gotta do. Fly than the rest of them. Still got my Nike boots. Fly than the rest of them. Fly than the rest of them. Fly than the rest of them. Still got my Nike boots. Fly than the rest of them. Fly than the rest of them. Fly than the rest of them. Still got my Nike
zoomed off in the whole video. I swear people are probably like, why do you always have the camera pointed to your tits? I don't. It's just not wide enough to get my face and whatever I'm doing. Okay. Good? Hey, look at that. I have a head.